हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू एलेक्सास किचन। आज हम आपके लिए आंध्रा स्पेशल स्वीट पोंगल की रेसिपी लेके आए हैं। ये एक स्पेशल डिश है जो कि साउथ इंडिया में बहुत स्पेसिफिकली भगवान को भोग चढ़ाने के लिए बनाई जाती है और भोग चढ़ाते वक्त इसमें ऊपर से कपूर डाला जाता है ताकि भगवान को चढ़ाई जा सके। चलिए देखते हैं इसे कैसे बनाते हैं।
हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम आ गए हैं लालित्या जी और गौरी जी के साथ में कुछ नया और इंटरेस्टिंग सीखने के लिए। सो कम ऑन, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद देयर इंट्रोडक्शन।
Hello everyone, hi, I'm Lalitya and he is my husband Gauri. We are preparing South Indian specials. This is a sweet that is sweet pongal.
So let's get started with the recipes.
Thank you. So we are starting with sweet pongal. So these are the ingredients for sweet pongal: rice and moong dal. Okay, we measured it with the same cup, 2 cups of rice and 1 cup of moong dal, 3 cubes of jaggery, and all the varieties of dry fruits, grated coconut, sugar, and ghee.
So only these many ingredients you need?
Yes, we do even offer this as a prasad for most of our South Indian festivals.
Correct. I have eaten this and it is really very tasty.
Yes.
Okay, so let's get started.
So first we have to fry the rice and moong dal.
Okay.
Till it get little brown, golden brown.
Dry roasting the moong dal.
Yes.
Okay.
We are dry roasting the moong dal. We are not adding any oil or ghee.
Okay.
We have to dry roast like this till it gets little golden brown.
Any story behind serving this to God?
No, usually for our festivals we offer rice sweet particularly. That is auspicious at South Indian side. So we have many other recipes that we make with rice sweet. So this is one of it. We make it with this moong dal. So it is almost golden brown. Switch off the stove and take it into another plate.
It is nice and aromatic.
Yes.
Okay.
Then you pour this 2 cups of rice. Try roasting it as well.
Okay. So you can see the dal's texture now. It's clearly visible that the dal is nicely roasted. Okay. And now we are dry roasting the rice. So rice is also nicely roasted.
Yes.
And it is also aromatic. यानी कि खुशबू आ रही है और अच्छे से भून चुके हैं.
Yes. ये दोनों को मिला के we have to wash it once and we have to cook it in the cooker.
So now we are putting this roasted dal and rice in a cooker.
Now we will wash this rice once.
Okay.
And we'll add 3 glasses of water and we'll keep it on the pressure cooker.
Okay, so roast करने के बाद में we will wash it and then we'll cook it in the pressure
cooker.
Okay, okay.
For each glass of rice that we have taken, we have to give 2 glasses of water. It is 1:2 ratio.
Okay.
For 1 cup of rice, we give 2 cups of water.
Okay.
So we have taken 2 cups of water with the teacup size of this one. So I'm giving with the big glass water, which is of 2 cups
Equivalent.
equivalent.
Okay. So if you are measuring it with the same cup that you have measured rice with, you have to give 4 cups
Yes.
of water.
Yes. It is 1:2 ratio.
Okay.
Okay.
So we are not putting anything right now, neither ghee, nothing.
Nothing.
We just simply
put the
fry
rice and moong dal together.
Okay.
And we'll take 5 minutes break. Meanwhile, till we get the whistles for this rice pressure cooker, we'll prepare the sugar syrup for the sweet pongal.
Okay.
We'll start with the jaggery. We have taken the 2 cubes of jaggery, which I powdered it.
Okay.
We'll add this jaggery powder here. And to this, we'll add 1 cup of sugar.
2 cups.
As we added 1 cup of sugar, we'll take 2 cups of water to it.
Oh, from the same bowl that you measured sugar
Yes.
with. With that same bowl, 2 bowls of water.
Water.
Okay.
Yes. Switch on the stove.
Okay.
And we have to melt this completely
Okay.
till it turns into golden brown, and it has to become a thick sugar and jaggery syrup.
What you cooking?
See, I'm cooking sweet.
Oh,
You like it? Say hi, Gitanshi.
Hi.
Hi, everyone. Smile.
this is Gitanshi, Lalitya's daughter. And the rice and dal are nicely cooked. Okay.
And we need to mix the rice with the
Sugar syrup. Okay. Okay. Now we are mixing the rice and dal with the sugar syrup.
Finished your arm. Go. Play.
Okay.
Now we added rice to the jaggery syrup, and we will let it cook for few minutes until that becomes little dry and absorb to the rice completely.
Okay. So we'll cook it on a medium flame, so that it absorbs nicely.
Yes.
Not on a high flame. Is it?
No, not on a high flame because it will get burned. वो jaggery syrup है ना, easily stick हो जाएगा वो खड़ा. Okay. Now we'll fry all the dry fruits along with the grated coconut in ghee.
Okay.
2 tablespoons of ghee to this.
Okay.
Let it get heated for a minute. Then add coconut grated. 1 cup of grated coconut. Fry it until it gets little golden brown.
So one by one we'll be roasting every dry fruit in ghee
Yes.
until the rice is getting
Here we
simmered.
have chosen raisins, cashew and almond.
Okay. They can choose anything like
Any dry fruit that you wish to.
Okay.
So in middle we have to just lightly stir this rice so that this jaggery syrup, and as it is getting thicker, it might get stick to the pan. We just stir it.
So in middle we have to keep on stirring the rice lightly
Once or twice. Yes.
once or twice so that it doesn't get stick to the pan.
Yes.
I can't tell you such aromatic the kitchen has become already. So we have grounded the elaichi.
Along with all these dry fruits, we'll even sprinkle the elaichi powder. Sweet. सिम में रखते हैं हम. Almost done.
Okay, pongal is almost done, huh?
It is almost done. We'll just leave it for 2 minutes more.
Okay.
And coconut grated is fried in ghee, which is giving a very nice aroma.
Correct. बहुत अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है. कोकोनट हल्के गोल्डन ब्राउन हो गए हैं. So now we will take it out. Coconuts are also
We'll
fried.
directly drop it in this.
Oh. Such a nice flavor, no?
Yes. We'll add 1 more tablespoon of ghee. And we'll add raisins. As these you should fry it individually.
Okay. So सारे dry fruits individually fry करें ताकि जलने से बच जाएं आपके.
Yes,
Dry.
correct. Why should we call them raisins? We'll call in our language kismis.
In Telugu also you call them kishmish.
Yes, we're done. Raisins we completed. Now we'll add few cashews. Okay, cashews and almonds we are frying together.
Okay.
ये मेरा रेसिपी नहीं है. I'm helping my husband as he is busy in his meeting.
Okay, sure.
This is completely his recipe.
Okay.
Credit goes to him, not me. We are frying almonds and cashew together in a tablespoon of ghee. Okay. We'll drop all the dry fruits and we sprinkle the elaichi powder.
Okay.
और ये सब हमने कर दिया है मिक्स और स्वीट पोंगल तैयार है सर्व करने के लिए। इस मकर संक्रांति आप भी अपने घर में ये स्वीट पोंगल बनाइए और भगवान को चढ़ा करके खुद भी खाइए और हमें बताइए आपको ये रेसिपी कैसी लगी। लालित्या जी और गौरी जी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद ये रेसिपी हमारे चैनल पर शेयर करने के लिए।
So this is the South Indian special mana Andhra Chekkar Pongali. पंडग स्पेशल आंध्रा चक्कर पोंगली। ये है हमारा आंध्रा का साउथ इंडियन का स्वीट स्पेशल है स्वीट पोंगल which has been done with rice and moong dal enriched with all the dry fruits which is very healthy.
Thank you. So big thanks to Gauri and Lalitya for bringing up such tasty recipes on the table today. Thank you so much for being a part of this video.
Thank you so much for asking us to prepare this and making it famous.
We'll come again with another interesting recipe. Till then, take care. Goodbye.